Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick with your political news roundup for Wednesday, July 28th. Most of Arizona's controversial immigration law was put on hold today. A judge in Phoenix blocked implementation of much of the law until the courts decide whether it's constitutional. This means the portions of the law requiring immigrants to carry their papers at all times and that required officers to check immigration papers while enforcing other laws will not be enforced, at least for the time being. Other provisions of the law do take effect tomorrow. The ruling came as police were preparing to begin enforcement and protesters were planning to demonstrate outside the courthouse and challenge the police. The federal government is challenging the Arizona law, claiming it oversteps federal authority. The Federal Reserve is out with its latest read on the U.S. economy. It's a lukewarm assessment. The so-called Beige Book says economic activity has continued to increase on balance, although a couple of districts reported flat activity and a couple of others, specifically Atlanta and Chicago, showed decreases. Residential real estate was sluggish, and while retail sales were generally good, auto sales were down. The job market was described as improving gradually. The fate of former Illinois Governor Rod Blagojevich is in the hands of a jury. The members will decide which, if any, of the 24 counts of corruption-related crimes Blagojevich is charged with will bring convictions. The judge hearing the case says he's not expecting a speedy verdict. On the other side of the world, the government of Pakistan says so far there's no evidence that terrorism was behind the crash of a commercial airliner. The jet crashed near Islamabad on Wednesday, killing all 152 people, including 2 Americans on board. Recovery workers were still searching for the black box flight data recorders. A national day of mourning for what was Pakistan's deadliest ever air crash was set for Thursday. Back home, the Pentagon already has a prime suspect in the leak of thousands of secret Afghan war documents. CNN is reporting the investigation is focusing on Army Private First Class Bradley Manning. He's already in custody. Manning is believed to have accessed a classified military internet site and downloaded the documents. Manning was arrested back in June and charged with illegally transferring other classified data. That's your political roundup for Wednesday, July 28th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.